Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up ChatGPT on your mobile device. So number one step is that you will just tap on your app store, or if you have Android, so you will just open the Play Store. So simply just tap on this search, which is right bottom corner, and from here you will just type ChatGPT, and when you just tap on it, you will just tap to the first one, and here you will just simply download it. I already downloaded it, and what gonna do after downloaded, you will just launch the app from the app, and when it's open, so you will just create or log into your account. So if you already have an account, so simply just log in using your Google. So after here you will just use how to set up. So right over here you will see the, if you are new, you can just follow the prompts to create an account, so using your email or social media accounts. So if I just use this prompt like make me a personal web page after asking me 3 questions, so wait for the moment for the chat GPT answers. To create a personal web page for you, so I'll need some basic information. So what a theme or purpose should the page serve, like portfolio or blog, a resume, or just a fun personal introduction? And what content should it include, like your bio or professional experience, hobbies, contact information, or social media links? And third is, do you have a specific design preferences, example colors, fonts, images, or any style you like? So let me know. I'll create a single file HTML document for you, so you can just use it after creating. So the basic step is that you will just simply install the app from your app store on iOS device. Simply just launch the app and create your account, or if you already have an account, you will just simply logged in and you will just use it easily. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.